Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take the snapshot of the Bitcoin because market gradually is turning down, and actually it has completed the setup that we have discussed last week. So on daily chart, as you can see, after minor retracement here, market turns down again, and here actually we have the bearish grabber by the Judd Napoli. So it's just the taking out of these lows. So what does it mean? It means that the hand shoulders pattern shape that we have recognized earlier, and first we thought that maybe market will have some chance to proceed high, especially when it starts to form kind of the upper direction. So initially we have expected a bit deeper retracement, but currently, guys, it seems that the breaking of the 36 even area currently is very probable, and that in turn will mean the failure of the hand shoulders. As you know, when the hand shoulders fails, the market drops below the bottom of the right arm with the significant probability almost every time market also drops below the bottom of the head. So this is the way how usually hand shoulders fails. That in turn could lead us to the target that we have, and we have talked about it previously. It's based on this butterfly, bearish butterfly with the 1.7 extension, 28 even approximately. So you can see this target stands above the daily result, so it could be reached. Also here market actually doesn't have any significant fib levels, because the final level where market has actually here is the 618 fib support, and if market will break it down, this will be relatively a free space. Besides, the stops that have been placed below the lows of the hand could add some more power to the bears and push market stronger to the downside. So that's the action that we will keep an eye on within the few weeks probably. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that indeed market just has completed the godless triple to sell that we have talked about. Since retracement has started, we said, well, currently with all the price action that we see, it looks really bearish, and we mostly suggest the retracement, kind of the ABC reaction. So keep an eye on the possible hand shoulders. Here it was left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we have the A, B, C, D pattern. So actually AB equals to CD leg, but CD leg a bit slower than an AB. As soon as it has been completed, market collapsed. Now I think that's not really a good idea for taking any long positions, because overall downside action, guys, that we have here corresponds to our long-term analysis. So those of you who have watched our videos, you probably remember that we have also the weekly target. It's all-time XOP target that stands at 18 even. And this drop that market right now shows, as well as the action to the 28 even, this will be part of this long-term final plunge on the Bitcoin. So we think that as soon as market will complete this final leg to the 18 even, maybe 2000 even, somewhere in this area, in this case, at this moment, the bearish trend should be over. So, and we expect that maybe right at this moment the tendency could change. But until this will happen, we mostly will deal with the bearish scenario, and this collapse actually stands in a row with this long-term trend that we have. So it means that here, as collapse has happened, you could watch for some minor retracement. Maybe you can see here this will be kind of the ABCD pattern as from the fib levels, at the fib levels from the most recent drop. So you could put the fib levels here, so it will be probably 30% resistance, because here, guys, actually this is the bearish grabber on the daily. So if you will take the position on the minor pullback here with anticipation of the further drop, that could be the trading plan if you plan to take the bearish position on Bitcoin. If you have the bullish view and just wait for a chance to go long, this is probably not your day, guys, today, and that means that currently it's still better to sit on the hands and see what will happen, because it seems that the point where it would be logical for taking long position has not come yet. So that's our short-term view on the Bitcoin market, and let's see how situation will change within the week.